How to find contacts in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can find contacts on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to find contacts on Messenger, go and launch the Messenger app here, then tap the three lines option, then tap the gear icon. Scroll down, then go to Account Center tab. Once you go to the Account Center tab, you will see all this information where you have to go to your information and permissions and then make sure to tap on it. Once you go to your information and permissions from here, what you want to do is just go to upload contacts and select your Facebook account and just select continuous contacts upload and then just tap on get started, and here Facebook will sync the contacts for you, and then you'll be able to see a list of friends who will be on your contact list as well as also find them on Facebook. Now other one is, let's say if you want to select for Messenger, select your Messenger account, tap on upload contacts, make sure to turn it on and then tap on allow, then select manage contacts and make sure that you've done that, and then you should be able to find all the contacts on Messenger in that way. This way you can find contacts on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.